See?
Okay, fine, sir.
Okay, fine.
I know what I said, sir. What do you think I said? I don't know. But I know what I
said. My teacher, sir, is sir not your teacher?
He's a tutor. Yeah, I'm gonna label him that now.
But, no, and means a tutor is not your teacher, right?
Technically, in a way, yes.
So, Mr. Bambi and Arnav, did you go through the recordings?
Yes, sir. I'm left with half.
So, Mr. Bambi, start your camera. Adhya, keep your camera on.
Sir, I sent to you.
It's okay, I'll check it.
How to do the divided sign?
Beta, you can use the slash sign. Instead of the divide sign, there is a front slash sign in your keyboard. You can use that. This sign.
Sir, the opposite slash.
All right, whatever, you can do it. So quickly, guys, quickly. 1 minute question and you guys have taken so long.
But sir, Rakhi ma'am is the whole, but still your name comes in the start. Sir, do not understand.
I will explain. Adhya, AA guy, keep your camera on.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Sir, my camera's not working. I'll try to fix it. Give me 5 minutes. I'll try.
All right, I'll explain now. So 2 less than the quotient of x and y. How will you write quotient of x and y? Means x divided by y. X divided by y will be written like this. And Hitansh, it's 2 less than this. English hai bhai. 2 less than this. So minus 2. Now next, Mahuri diya x multiplied by itself. Means x multiplied by x. You can also write it x square. But even if you write it x multiplied by x, I am okay with it. X square, this concept of exponents, you will study in the higher, like grade 7. But both of them are correct.
Sir, can we write x? Sir, can we write xx?
XX also is allowed. All right, so do the 11th and 12th question now.
Okay, sir.
So remember the first day when we were not able to understand this at all because there were so many x's and y's. And now it must have become routine, like okay, it's very simple, right? Yes or no, guys?
Then will you punish Arav for calling you lazy?
Yes, he has to be punished.
Will we write x to the power of 2?
Beta, if you are asking for higher grade, beta इस grade में तो आपको आएगा नहीं. Higher grade में you can write it like this, you can write it like this, I will understand. This is not the correct way. The correct way is this, but in computers we write it like this. But even if you write x power t2, all this I take up as correct answers in the chat, only in the chat. Beta, remember twice x is not the same as x square. Twice x means 2 multiplied by x. Okay, Hitansh?
Okay, sir.
So guys, twice x means...
So what's the meaning of squared? So like what's the meaning of squared?
Y squared means y into y. Y squared means this. Y square means y
Why are you
into
telling
y.
everything?
Beta, this is okay. This is not of thoda sa, this should not come in your grade. Y squared, etc. Cubed means y. Cubed means y into y into y. Y to the power 4 means y times y times y times y times y. Z to the power 5 means z times z times z times z times and z.
So we can
Z
do
to the
z.
power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3
Then
into...
we can go till on and on, like 3 to the power 1000 million.
Yes, yes.
So just do it.
Beta, when it is twice x, na, we always write as 2x, Hitansh. That's for you. Okay, I'm giving you a trick, but it means 2x. All right, Mr. Bambi, we don't write x2. So, hello, Megha ma'am. Good evening.
Good evening, sir.
Rohan, Wasabi, keep your cameras on. All right, let's see. So, Candy, what should be my answer for this question?
Sir, triple x plus y,
Beta,
y
2x
squared.
plus y, not triple x. 2x plus y.
Sir, I thought you were saying the previous question.
Wasabi,
Sir, but can't we write x?
बेटा x का मतलब होता है x स्क्वायर और 2x का मतलब होता है 2 into x. Let me give you an example. 10 into 10 equal to 10 square equal to 100. Ma'am, please erase the names. Equal to 100. But 2 into 10 means 20. So 2 into 10 means 2x. X into x means x square. Difference समझ आ गया?
Okay. Yes, sir.
No.
So Wasabi, where were you, beta? You cannot just leave your desk and go away wandering, eating nuts.
Sir, I was going to take a pen.
So thrice x means 3x. Added to y squared means y square. So generally
I thought that thrice x is x cube.
beta, thrice x means 3 multiplied by x. X cubed is x into x into x. एक चीज और बोलूं.
What do we call if we put like 2 and then x, and what do we call if we put x and then 2?
Sir, I didn't
बेटा
understand
x
the
and then 2 का कुछ it and 2 and x both are equal. But this is a wrong way of writing. So you have to write 2x only.
Sir, I write x and then 2 up.
No, बेटा वो x square हो गया. See, x square लिखना है तो आप ऐसे भेज दो x then this or 2. ठीक है? Or you can send like this also. This is x square.
So, sir, in the 11th question, what are we doing in the
It is 2x बेटा. Twice मतलब 2 multi. जैसे twice of 4 क्या होगा? 8. But 4 square क्या होगा? 16. Understood?
answer in the 12th, it's like x3 plus y2.
बेटा x3 नहीं है. 3x plus 1.
Y2.
So it should be 3 multiplied by x.
And y2 is like a square, right? Y2 is a square.
So, sir,
y2 is
x2 is 4x.
Understood, sir.
सुधरम रुक जाओ सुधरम भाई. So x cube छोड़ ही देते हैं. We can do 13 and 15. Generally, squares and cubes in algebra is not in grade 6 curriculum. उन्होंने एक दो क्वेश्चन दे दिए just so that you can understand the difference. Do the 13th and 15th question. Do guys. Do the do.
So, sir, x square is equal to 4x.
No बेटा, confuse नहीं हो भाई. x square आपने squares नहीं पढ़े. 8 square क्या होता है?
8 square, 64.
तो फिर उसको कुछ 2 multiplied by 8 कर सकते हैं? नहीं कर सकते ना. उसको हम केवल 8 multiplied by 8 लिख सकते हैं. Right?
But, sir, it's 2 on the top.
So what do they mean by the
2 means
quotient
you
of
multiply
x?
the same number with itself 2 times.
Sir, what do
क्या
they
मतलब ये
mean
होता
by the quotient of x?
है? Quotient of x by 8 पूरा पढ़ो ना.
What do they mean by that?
अभी मैंने आपको बताया था इस क्वेश्चन में quotient of x and y by y means x divide by y.
Okay.
So, sir, but then like 4 Oh, it varies.
Yes, Saturn, yes. At the end. Thank you, Saturn. Guys, quickly send the answer, quickly.
Ma'am, please check my.
Oh, ma'am, Adya has sent. Oh my goodness.
Please check chips. Ma'am, please check chippies.
So, Mr. Bambi, it's correct. All right, hacker, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
So, beta, what is the first answer?
Sir, it will be x minus 2y.
So, beta, then why did you send it wrong?
Sir, I wrote the opposite.
Yes. So, Mahuri, please unmute.
Yes, sir.
What is the second answer?
X divide by 8 into y.
X divide by 8 into y. So you can write y here or you can write y here. Both are same. Also, we can write it as xy by 8. This is also correct. But okay,
Okay, sir.
because will have multiplied this too. So Gauri, I did not get your answer. Better don't be too so slow.
Yes, sir. Sorry, sir. I will.
Sir, I wrote x divide by 8y. Sir, like this, I'll send you.
Do the second question.
Sir, is this correct what I sent you in the chat?
बेटा अभी इसका ना इंटरप्रिटेशन अलग अलग हो सकता है कि y is coming with 8 और y is coming with x because you did not use bracket and because this is chat, so it may or may not be able to interpret it properly.
So, sir, how will it be? So, what will it be in the chat?
Leave it, beta, leave it. It's okay. You have understood now how to do in notebook, so that's fine. So 30 seconds question, kids. Second one.
So,
Ma'am, please
xy
check
by
chip.
8.
Ma'am, please check chip.
So, sir, it will be xy plus 8.
प्लस नहीं हो सकता ना बेटा, प्लस कैसे हो
No, sir,
जाएगा?
divide by 8. Sir, sorry, divide by 8.
X by 8 into y. तो you can give x y ब्रैकेट में लिख दो डिवाइड by 8. This is clear कि ये पूरे पे डिवाइड कर रहा है. Or you can write it as xy by 8 also.
Okay, sir. There are many ways of writing in the algebra.
Yes, the guy, the sleeping guy, the sleeping guy,
Sir, I'm writing.
the sleeping guy. 80 marks
Sir,
in
I'm
English,
writing.
X in Hindi, 80 plus X. No, beta, no. Don't sleep in my class.
I
Now,
wasn't
what
sleeping, sir.
happens when I multiply 5 into 5 into 5 into this concept? I am giving you an introduction. After today, we won't do this. It means 5 to the power 4. जब भी ऊपर एक नंबर आता है, that means मैं नीचे वाले नंबर को, which is called base, and this is called exponent. This is a grade 7 concept. I'm just giving an introduction. It means मैं base को कितनी बार multiply करूंगा? 4 times. 7 cube. 7 को how many times will I multiply?
3 times.
3 times. What will be my answer? 343. So I'll ask this question. जैसे one more example. x, no, not x. C into C into C into C. What will be my answer? C to the
C
power
power
4.
4.
We call it C to the power 4. अगर मैं 2 बार मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तो उसका एक शॉर्ट फॉर्म है. C, I call it C square. What do I call it?
C square.
C square. C into C. Either I can write C to the power 2 or C squared. ऐसे 3 के लिए भी मेरे पास एक वर्ड है क्यूब. Cubed. I can call it C to power 3 or C cubed.
So it's rather cube is a long word.
All
To
right,
the
but
power
beta, it is the word. So I will ask one by one. So this question goes to hacker. What will be my answer?
B to the power 15.
B to the power 15. B part, Adya, what is my answer for this? Ad, you are mute, beta. Unmute करके फटाफट बोलो बेटा. As soon as your name is taken, quickly unmute it.
B into 20.
B into 20 बेटा अलग हो गया. So Chippy, what is my answer?
So can I bring
Sir,
my
y
charger?
to the power of 20.
Y है बेटा और मैं 20 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूं तो y टू दी पावर 20. अगर आप बोलोगे y इंटू 20 वो 20y हो गया, वो अलग हो गया, वो रॉन्ग हो जाएगा. y टू दी पावर 20 मींस y इंटू y इंटू y इंटू y इंटू y. हाउ मेनी टाइम्स? 20 टाइम्स. So third part, Mr. Ba.
Sir, 14. Sir, 14 into A to power 4 into B to power 3.
So because there is no need to write multiply in between, वो obvious है. 14 a to the power 4 b cube or b to the power 3.
Sir,
Everyone
can't we
understood?
write A B to the power 21?
नहीं नहीं बेटा वो wrong हो जाएगा.
Sir, I did not understand.
See, a को मैं कितनी बार multiply कर रहा हूँ with itself?
4.
Oh,
तो a की power 4 हो जाएगी. a into a into a into a. b को मैं कितनी बार multiply कर रहा हूँ?
3.
तो b की पावर 3 हो जाएगी. b into b into b. अगर आपको मैं इसको ओपन करने को बोलूं, you
Sir,
will
I
write it like
understood.
this. a 4
Yes, sir, I
times
understood.
because यहाँ पे a है and b 3 times because यहाँ पे b 3 times है. All right?
Sir, why won't we put multiplication signs?
Beta, you can put, but it's not required. Okay. Fourth question goes to Smiley.
6 x 2 times
Beta, no, don't say 2 times. X squared बोलो या to the power 2.
x to the power 2 y to the power 2.
Or y squared. Fifth part goes to Adya again. Once again, your chance, Adya. Quickly speak. Beta, within 2 seconds you have to unmute. 20 seconds हो गए. Yes, answer please.
So may I? So may I?
All right, Gauri.
So 3 multiplied by c to the power of 3 and y to the power of 2 and x to the power of 1.
Yes, x to the power 1 or x is same. X to the power of 1 or x is same. Now,
Okay.
how will we write in product form A part? Now let me, who wants to answer this without me explaining? Yes,
Sir,
Geet.
Chippy, sir, Chip.
Yes, Geet.
So can I?
Yes, Geet, beta, I already made the choice. Geet, answer.
X into X
X, this is
into Y 4 times. Y, then again Y.
then again Y, then again
In and
Y.
one
Then...
more.
Understood, everyone?
Yes, sir.
Sir, can
So,
I tell for
Can I
second
do
part?
next?
so Mr. Bambi,
Sir, we write 6 multiplied by Y multiplied by Y multiplied by Y multiplied by Y multiplied by Y.
all right.
Sir, can I
So,
tell?
Sir, can I
so
solve the C part, please?
no, beta, I'm giving everyone chance. Yes, Rohan, third question.
Sir, 9 times X times Y times Z.
ओके आद्या फोर्थ का आंसर देना है नहीं देना भाई जल्दी बता दो नहीं देना हो बोल दो नहीं पूछूंगा मैं यू वांट टू गिव आद्या
Sir, I don't understand the question.
बेटा
Sir,
इफ
can
का
Chippy?
मतलब ए के ऊपर 3 है मतलब ए को 3 टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर दो
Sir, you
टू के
didn't
ऊपर
give
4
Chatty
है तो
any
मतलब 4
question.
टाइम्स मल्टीप्लाई कर दो इसमें कुछ समझने वाला है ही नहीं इसमें
Sir, can
कंसंट्रेट
I
करने
answer?
वाला है गो टू अ साइलेंट रूम आद्या where your dog is not barking and then you will be able to understand no Ananya you tell me D part
Sir, it will be 10 10 into A into A into A into B into B into B into C into C into C.
all right so good speed Betty
Sir, I didn't understand the third one.
अरे यार एक x है दो y है एक z है 1x into 1y into 1y into 1z
So it will be 9xy into 9xy.
yes so we know monomials binomials trinomials correct we understood that
Yes, sir.
And quadrant poly.
what happened Dia
They also have quadrant poly.
So can I
बेटा
go to the question?
quadrinomials is not required सभी को फिर उससे को ना polynomials बोल देते हैं
Sir, can we get a break? Everyone
so
wants to
first
watch
one
the room.
no first one everyone will answer in the chat 30 seconds question if it is a monomial binomial trinomial
So can we simply write MBT?
yes you can simply write m b t or p polynomial you will write which has more than 3 terms
So just the first one.
just the first one 30 seconds
What I have sent to ma'am.
so which has one term is called monomials so 3 into x into y into z when you multiply you get one term only second term तब होती है जब इसमें कुछ 5z या 25 होता this is a monomial this is what a monomial
Sir, I'm not clear with this concept.
बेटा that's what I am explaining ना अगर किसी टर्म को मैं +5z लिख दूं तो बाइनोमियल हो जाता एक्स वाई जेड तो 3 से मल्टीप्लाई हो रही है एक साथ तो व्हेन इट्स मल्टीप्लिकेशन ऑफ 3 और मोर variables it is one term only it is one term only okay Ananya
Okay,
that's
so
why we are practicing do the second and third one just write the first letters
what is polynomial again?
बेटा all of these are polynomials, but जिसके लिए हम 3 से ऊपर आप polynomial use कर लो. Don't use quadrinomial. You can, all of these are polynomials.
Ma'am, please check Chippy's.
Sir,
Ma'am,
each of them
please
has
check.
a specific name.
What, stupid scooter?
Sir, like each of them has a specific name. Even 5 times, like 5.
Yes, yes.
Sir, what is 5 called?
Ragini ma'am, please check Chippy's.
I think quadrinomial के बाद क्या होता है? पता नहीं name there is given or not. I don't know.
Centinomial?
So, sir, they are given till like infinity names.
No, beta, no. Generally, they are not even used. Like, generally, we use till trinomial only. Then we start
Or I'm
calling them
pretty sure
polynomial.
it's centinomial.
Pretty sure. All right. So, Candy, unmute beta. How many terms can you see in the second part?
So 1.
Beta, one कहाँ से है?
So
ये
that
one
is
term.
binomial.
This is 1. This is term number 2. This is term number 3. Can everyone see that? Candy, Diya, Guy, Adya, Ruhan, Chetty. And everyone got this right. This is a monomial only. So this is a trinomial. Try. First term, second term, third term. आप बीच में प्लस और माइनस देखोगे ना, उससे आपको टर्म्स सेपरेट होती हैं. टर्म्स आर ऑलवेज सेपरेटेड बाय प्लस और माइनस साइन.
But isn't the like nomial defined by number of pluses and minuses?
Are you saying?
Isn't the monomial
बेटा टर्म्स जो इंडिविजुअल टर्म्स होती है ना, दे आर सेपरेटेड बाय प्लस एंड माइनस. 4x square yz is a separate term as 9. 9 is a separate term as minus 5x cubed. So these are all 3 terms. Next, do the 4th and 5th one. Adya, concentrate beta. Concentrate on the screen, not anywhere else.
So can we get a break?
What is, you want me to break? Beta, I don't break anyone. I'm a
you
teacher.
don't have to break, so you have to give a break.
Beta, no, beta,
Yes.
break. Beta, I am extremely against violence. Beta, I don't break things. I'm not destructive.
Can you
Sir, you're not understanding what we are saying.
I am understanding.
to punish? So sir, you decided to punish like the guy. Can you give us time to relax?
So, guy, I'm beta very, very annoyed. And because you said I'm not your teacher, I'm not coming to Dubai this year. No. I say no to that.
Come to my house. Sir, you can come to my house.
No, but the guy lives in Dubai, na? So if I'll come to Dubai, his words will haunt me.
Sir, I also
I went to Rohan's house.
Okay, so Mr. Bambi, Adya, jaldi bheja karo bhai. Don't see. Okay. So Mahuri, how many terms are there in this fourth one?
So 4.
Yes, it's 4. So 4 we call it polynomial. And here it's 2, so we call it binomial. So everyone give the sixth answer. 30 seconds.
Sir, but the options is not given. It's only written monomial, binomial, and trinomial.
So I told you, na beta, you can write polynomial.
Okay, sir.
Please check my answer. Please check my answer. Mute your mic, Charlie. Sir, is there any like book you downloaded in your Kindle but it was completely useless?
Can we write polynomial?
Yes, beta, there have been some
Please check
books.
my answer.
See around, see around, see
Daddy,
around.
please check your mic.
There's somebody singing.
It's chat.
There have been some books. Diya,
Sir,
your
sir,
camera on.
sir, why
Alright,
has
this
your
is more
background
sir,
changed?
ma'am,
please
check the song we didn't.
Sir, why has your background changed? Sir, why has your background changed?
Now, guys, the next concept is coefficient.
Because his room burnt down.
Study. Sir, your room burned down?
All right, let's look here. Suppose, what is coefficient? Suppose I write 6x square. Why?
Sir, can I tell what is the coefficient?
So the coefficient is like whatever is remaining except for that. Generally, we talk, I will come to that. Generally, we talk about numerical coefficient. So first, I'm going to discuss the numerical coefficient, which is very, very easy. So numerical coefficient is numerical part of the variables. What is the numerical part of the variables?
The number part.
The 6. Let me take one more example. 5y cube z. What is the numerical coefficient?
Minus
5.
5. 5. Minus 5. So minus 5.
Numerical coefficient is minus 5. One more example. 3a square bc. What is the numerical coefficient?
3.
Sir, 3.
3. One more example, last one.
Sir, can there be two numerical? I didn't get it. What's a coefficient? You just said
Coefficient beta, whatever is left except that. But numerical की बात करते हैं तो number ही होता है. Now, what is the coefficient of x square y? Who can answer? Raise your hand.
4.
Acha, what let's do that. Everyone send this answer to me. 30 seconds. What is the numerical coefficient of x square y? Send to me. Don't send to ma'am, send to me. I want to see how many get it correct. Mr. Bambi, it's wrong. Meher, it's wrong. Wasabi, wrong. Zapman, wrong. Hacker,
I
wrong.
secondly sent to mom.
Ruhan, wrong. Chatty, wrong. Yuva, Scooty, wrong. Diya, all are wrong. So let me tell you, Mr. Ba, wrong. So let me tell you, beta, when nothing is written, if only x is written, what do I say? How many x are there? 1 x are there. If nothing is written, it means it is getting multiplied by 1. So the answer is 1. If nothing is written, that means my numerical coefficient is 1. Everyone understood this?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
All right. Now this was the numerical coefficient. Now the coefficient can be not numerical also. Just say, if I ask you what is the coefficient of z in this? What is the coefficient of z in this?
So 0.
So you leave z. Z के अलावा क्या बच रहा है?
6xy.
6xy. So my answer is 6xy. जो भी उसके अलावा बचे, that is your answer. One more example.
If the question is 100 pages long, then the answer will also be that much.
Beta, 1 second. What is the coefficient of b in this?
Sir, I wanted to ask her what will be the numerical coefficient for the 7a squared c. Sir, 6xy. So what would be the
What is the coefficient of b? 1 second. It
7a
is
squared c.
f7a square c. Yes, Gaurish, क्या बोल रहे हो आप?
So what would be the numerical coefficient for 6xy?
So numerical coefficient of 6xy will just be 6.
And 7ac would be 7.
7,
That's
yes.
But sir, in coefficient, like what happens? I don't get the difference.
Sir, may I go to the washroom?
Not understand the 6yz.
I will come to it, beta. Let's do this example. A and 1 and 2.
So what happened in numerical? Sir, what happened in coefficient? So can there be two numerical coefficients?
Just do the first one. Just do the first one pehle. And you have
Sir, I
to
don't
send to ma'am.
understand.
Guys, यहाँ पे आपको coefficient देना है. Numerical coefficient नहीं देना. You have to give the coefficient.
Sir, I don't understand coefficient.
I am giving more examples, beta.
Sir,
Just
even I
hang on.
didn't understand.
चलो, I am giving more examples. एक मिनट रुक जाओ. Mr. Ba also got it wrong. Mr.
Sir, I
Bambi
understood
also.
my mistake.
You understood your mistake?
Yes, sir.
You can send once again.
I have sent.
It's correct. So see
I heard
kids. So those who did not understand, what is the coefficient of x in 9xy? आप x के अलावा जो भी बचे, that is the coefficient. So if I cut x, what is left? 9y. So my answer is 9y. Understood now? Who was saying did not understand? Smiley.
Sir, why do we only cut down x like?
बेटा क्योंकि मुझे x का कोफिशिएंट चाहिए ना. x के अलावा, what is the meaning of coefficient? x के अलावा जो भी हो.
So sir, like in the part, like if I create something like C7ABC, so sir the
C7
coefficient
ABC मतलब this c to the power 7 or 7c?
C no normal 7, sir, not to the power.
7c AB.
Yes.
So
And
the
we have to find out first. We have to find out the coefficient for C. So sir, the answer
तो
will be
c को छोड़ दो,
7AB.
7ab will be the answer.
Okay, जिसका भी coefficient है उसको छोड़ देना.
Yes.
The coefficient of 7. Sir, sir, if like it's xy and we have to sir, if the coefficient is xy and we have to find from xy.
So then
what
the
will be
coefficient will be 1.
1. Okay, thank you, sir. Sir, what's that minus sign before 7?
But you have to find the coefficient of a in 7 ABC. Question is find the coefficient of a in 7 ABC.
Okay, sir. Can there be two numerical coefficients?
No, beta.
Sir, they cannot be.
No. If the terms are different, then it can.
So what if the question is like 7a squared b 8?
Enough, guys. Enough. Let's do this question first.
So can I go to the washroom?
After getting your question correct, you can go to the washroom. Come back quickly.
Oh, sir, finally you did not say wash the room or something like that.
Because I understand you guys are under a lot pressure of washing the room. So Candy answer is correct. So everyone got it wrong. So Hitansh.
Sir, one minute, sir, I'll send my answer.
बेटा a को छोड़ दो, क्या बचा? -7BC ये आंसर हो
Sir,
गया.
I understood my mistake. I did not write minus.
Sir, I didn't even see the minus sign.
I didn't even see the minus.
So you have to use your glasses, na? That's why I told use your glasses.
Sir,
Do the
I don't
third
even
one.
have glasses.
Do the third one, guys.
Can you give a break, sir, please?
Break for what, beta? Like, I know you guys have to work a lot, but it's okay. You can,
Sir, please give a
Wait,
break.
sir, we're tired and we need to wash the room.
all right,
Yes,
take a 2
sir.
minutes break. Fine.
Yes, sir, we get paid a lot.
Yes, that's great, guys. That's great. Do the C part.
Oh, sir, why do we have to do this?
1 minute question.
We have already sent the answer.
Please send again, beta.
Oopsie, I spam. Oh, wow, Mr. Black. How can someone get this question right?
Ma'am, can you check my answer?
Ma'am, can you check my answer?
Okay, ma'am.
Many crosses. गाइस मैंने अभी बताया था कि एक्स वाई का न्यूमेरिकल
Ma'am, please check
कोफिशिएंट
my
विल बी
answer.
1. Okay, look here guys, it's okay.
Please check my
Numerical coefficient of xy is 1. Let's say अगर मेरा minus xy होता, then I am writing n coefficient. N coefficient means numerical coefficient of xy will be -1. Similarly, xyz in minus xyz, the answer would be -1. Understood? Because अगर मैं xyz हटा दूंगा तो -1 बचेगा. Everyone understood?
Yes, sir. So this should be a
This
star
minus,
question.
listen to me, this minus xyz is made up of -1 into xyz. जब मैं -1 को xyz से मल्टीप्लाई करता हूं तब माइनस xyz आता है. सो अगर xyz हट गया तो क्या बचा? -1. अंडरस्टूड? सिमिलरली सी, ए को मैं -7abc में से, दिस इज एक्चुअली व्हाट, -7abc इज इक्वल टू व्हाट, -7a इंटू -7 इंटू a इंटू b इंटू c. अब मैंने a हटा दिया, क्या बच गया? -7bc. सो एवरीथिंग इज इन द प्रोडक्ट फॉर्म. अंडरस्टूड नाउ गाइस?
Yes.
Do the fourth question, don't get it wrong. Mr. Bambi. Mr. Bambi.
Ma'am,
Yes,
please
sir.
check my
What did
answer.
you send?
Wrong answer.
Why?
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Sir, are you feeling very hot today? Sir, do you know what happened? Are you feeling very cold today? Sir, are you feeling very cold
Sir,
today?
please check my answer.
Ma'am,
Sir,
please
in
send
school
my.
we, sir,
Ma'am,
last
please check
Friday
my
we had a,
answer.
sir,
Ma'am,
Gauri,
please
you
check
can
my
speak your answer. Okay, everyone silent. Everyone silent. Gauri, you can
Yes.
send your answer to me. अभी मुझे बताओ what's the answer. You can speak your answer.
Sir, AC.
AC is wrong, बेटा. माइनस ABC को मैं लिख सकता हूँ -1 into A into B into C.
Sir,
Now I have to
minus
find
AC.
B. So my answer would be -AC.
oh,
Understood?
Sir.
So Guy and Dia, I did not get your answer.
sent twice to ma'am. Ma'am didn't check it.
So maybe because you did not call me a teacher and she also did not like it. So she decided on her own that she will not check your answer.
Sir, the answer to
are you feeling very
Sir,
cold
that
today?
is very weird. Your answer.
All right, guys. So
the answer be -1 AC as well?
-1 AC or AC both are same, but generally it's written -AC only.
Sir,
So
you
give
feeling
the
very cold
answer
today?
of 1 and 2. Quickly, guys, quickly.
Sir, you feeling very cold today because you asked for a minus AC.
Yeah, yeah, yeah.
You sound like the guy.
Yeah.
Hey.
Ma'am, please check GPs.
Beta, don't speak like this. Everyone, some of you, Gauri, Geetal, you send to me. Chippy, if you.
My answer,
Um,
sir, it's not check.
Sir,
Yes.
can you please show us your burnt room?
No.
Sir, because it's not real only.
Are you a 4-year kid, beta?
Ma'am, can you check my answer?
Sir, I'm a kid only.
So those who have given the answer, do the third and fourth.
They have already given the answer for third and fourth.
This is 13.
Ma'am, please check my answer.
Smiley. Second का answer क्या होगा बेटा?
6p
You got it right.
7x.
Keith, what will be my second answer be?
-5.
-5, okay. So guy, can you speak the fourth answer? The guy.
So negative 7x.
And this will be 6b. All right, guys, ma'am, please erase the names. Do the fifth and sixth part. So the first answer is minus 2QR.
I already sent you the first answer before.
And the second answer is 8xz. So, beta, if we remove y square, I will be left with 8xz. Everyone do the seventh and eighth question. Sorry, you couldn't send your answer. Mr. Gauri. Because you were eating something.
Then we have to decide upon the guy's punishment also. So he will attend 1 hour extra class.
Sir, he will
I
spend
know
10
better
years in
punishment.
jail.
Make sure my camera's off for the rest of the class.
Spend 10 years in jail.
And go
In
eat a
Africa.
samosa from
Smiley.
your fridge.
What's the coefficient of x cube in x cube?
Sir, 0.
No, beta, no. I told you, na, x cube is actually 1 into x into x
Ma'am,
into
please
x.
check my answer.
Oh,
Now I am asking the coefficient of this. So you will be left with 1. Understood, Smiley?
Ma'am, please check the answer.
Smiley understood?
No, sir.
बेटा अगर आपने 7x लिखा है इसका मतलब क्या 0 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 इंटू एक्स है या फिर 1 मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 7 इंटू एक्स है आप मुझे बताओ.
Sir, 1 multiplied by 7 into
Yes,
x.
same here बेटा. It is 1 multiplied by x into x into x. तो इसका कोफिशिएंट क्या होगा? This is x cube.
Yes,
इसको छोड़ दो तो you are left with 1.
okay, sir.
And here what will be the eighth answer then, Smiley?
1.
Minus 1. So Gauri and Hacker understood?
Yes, sir.
So do you remember I told you the constant term also? So what is the constant term in this? I'll ask you. Yes, Chip.
Sir, 8.
8 is the constant term. B part Hacker, what is the constant term?
9.
Yeah?
9.
So Mr. Ba, what is the constant term?
So 9. Minus 9. So minus 9.
Minus 9, beta. Minus ko mat bhulo. Hacker, minus is very important. It is a part of the term.
I haven't gotten a single chance in the entire class.
Okay, Miss D. Third
I didn't
question.
understand the constant term. Was I absent or something? Then I don't know what it is.
Constant beta, which is not a variable. 500 minus 2. That's it. Miss D, what is the constant term?
3 by 5?
3 by 5. So then, Mahuri, what is the constant term in fourth?
So, minus 8 by 3.
Minus 8 by 3.
This answer
So,
is minus 2 by 3.
no. So guys, one concept more is degree of a polynomial. So degree means जो powers होती हैं. Let me explain you in the whiteboard. It's almost time, still I'll try to explain. I should not start a new concept today because 3 minutes are remaining.
Sir, you can let us go 3 minutes early.
Why? Chatty, आप तो वैसे ही जल्दी छोड़ देते हो. आपको तो मौका चाहिए. मैंने all right बोला नहीं कि आपने
joined late
30
and sir
minutes.
Chatty wants to sir leave early.
Yes, very bad, Chatty, very bad. We are noticing you, Chatty.
She should get punished instead of me.
So can I start the concept? मैं questions next class में दूंगा. I'll explain in next
No,
class again.
sir, no, sir, no, sir. We only have 2 minutes.
No, sir.
next class में देना.
So all right, guys. Bye. Enjoy.
Bye,
No,
sir.
sir.
Thank you for listening to my
Bye, guys. Bye.
Pizza.
No, sir.
Bye, kids. Bye.
Bye, sir.
Enjoy. Bye.